Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Grand Cherokee L vs Wagoneer. Start by focusing on engines, seating, cargo, towing, and tech features to guide your choice. Pay attention to practical measurements like cargo volume and towing limits as I mention them. I will point out trade-offs in comfort, capability, and price so you can decide which model fits your family and driving style with confidence. Compare acceleration, towing, and drivetrain options directly when choosing between these SUVs. Note horsepower and torque numbers for each engine and how they affect towing and daily driving. Consider fuel economy trade-offs if you plan long commutes or heavy towing jobs. Think about suspension tuning and available 4x4 systems to match your driving environment and expected payload for smarter purchasing decisions. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to keep the content coming. Quick recommendation: for hassle-free meals on the road, try the leak-proof containers I use for snacks, lunches, and organizing small parts in the trunk. They seal tightly, stack well, and save cleanup time during trips. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Inspect seating layouts and cargo measurements to ensure the vehicle fits your lifestyle and gear. Test the infotainment systems for responsiveness, smartphone compatibility, and ease of use while driving. Evaluate driver aids and safety tech that affect real-world comfort and convenience. Also compare standard versus optional features to identify where value gaps occur and to avoid paying for unnecessary extras during purchase negotiations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.